Today I'm taking a look at the FNIRSI Multifunction Network Cable Tester. So it does come with a little case. We've got our instructions. It says it has a 2.4-inch color touchscreen, adjustable backlight brightness, power supply is Type-C 5 volts, battery is 3000 milliamp hours, and here are our dimensions. It says we have a wire tracing test, we got port flashing, network cable rate length test, PoE test, line pressure test, red light function, and the 10B has the optical, so that is going to be for your fiber optic. 10C has your ping test and your IP scan. So here is the tool. You can see we have two ports here on the side. This one's for checking the length for the flash, the PoE. This one we got QC and continuity. On the top we've got a scan port. It does have some nice rubber grips on the side. And on the bottom we have got our charging port. And we have also got our receiver. So you have sensitivity adjustment as well as our power switch. We got status LEDs, scan NCV flashlight. That's kind of neat. So it looks like we got that LED there on the top, and we got our power switch right there. On the bottom we got another Ethernet port. On the side we got a jack for headphones, and right there we got our power port. So it looks like it does come with some earbuds, so you can plug that into the side right here. So if you don't want to be bothering everybody around you, or if you just need to hear more clearly, if you're in a loud environment or something like that, we can use this to put that sound directly into your ear. They did give us a short patch cable as well as an adapter, and we also have a 2 alligator clip adapter. And in that patch we've also got a USB-A to USB-C cable that is going to be for charging both of these. So we'll start with the transmitter. We're going to press and hold, and we can see that it has a nice display on it. So right now we got cable test scan. It looks like everything can be navigated with these buttons here on the bottom. We got PoE, settings, speed, quality control, and back. So here we can turn the brightness up. So if you need to work outside, you'll be able to see that easier. The volume. So if you don't want to hear that beep, we can turn that off. We got auto off in 10 minutes, and we got about. So nice and easy. Let's go to cable test. So I'm going to plug it into the receiver. I'm not even going to turn this guy on yet. And we'll plug into our top side port. So there's just a patch cable that I got. Let's see how this works. I'm going to go to far end and start test. So we can see that's nice. We even got a little green light right here, so we know that everything is good. And we could see which pair was bad. So if I disconnect this, test retry, we can see we got a bad cable. Now, this is actually kind of nice. It actually has a little light right here telling you which port we're supposed to plug into. Let's go to scan. We got an arrow right there to let us know to plug it into the top. And this is going to be where we use the scan feature of the receiver. It's already picking that up. So I brought the sensitivity down. So if you're far away from it, maybe you need to read through a wall or something like that, we can bring that up. But I'm going to leave that down. And this is going to be our probe for finding it. And as we bring that into that wire, we can see that it's picking that guy up. That's awesome. So very handy tool to have. So right now we are a lit up scan. We got scan and NCV. NCV is for finding just regular voltage. So if I take this over to my power strip, we can see that we do have voltage there. We've got port flash. So this is going to plug into the bottom port. And we can see that that is lighting up and turning off as this thing lights up and turns off. So we know that that port is good. Then we got our length test. This is going to tell us the length of that cable. We also have inches, centimeters, and meters. So you can use whichever you're more comfortable with. And we'll start test. And it does tell us the length of all the different pairs. Then we got a QC test. So this is just basically after you crimp a cable, it's going to tell you if that cable is crimped correctly. And that one is good. And we got speed test. So this is going to use duplex mode to test the cable speed. There we go. So we can see we are at 1000 megabit per second, full duplex. And PoE. So PoE is power over Ethernet. It does require that you have a device that uses PoE. Plug that guy in. And we can see that 3 and 6 are both putting out 53.6 volts. Very nice. So yeah, if you're doing network testing, troubleshooting, you're looking for a tool that has a lot of options, very easy to use and very effective, this is going to be the tool that you want.